Want to know how to truly blow her mind in bed? I'm about to show you exactly how to make her crave you so badly, she'll be begging to get naked with you. Before we get into the good stuff, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that bell because what's coming next is pure fire. 1. Calm her body, awaken her craving. The more at ease she feels, the more intense her arousal becomes. When she trusts you and feels relaxed in your presence, her body will open up to deeper pleasure. Don't rush, touch her slowly, deliberately, and watch her hunger grow. 2. Kiss with purpose. A good kiss is a full-body experience. Tease her lips, then trail kisses to her neck. Lightly nibble her earlobe, that move alone can light her up. Mix things up between lips, neck, and ears. And if you lean in and whisper something dirty, that'll leave her breathless. Women love when you speak desire into their ear. 3. Foreplay that makes her ache for you. Before you go down on her, spend time teasing the inside of her thighs. Circle her most sensitive spot with kisses, but don't go straight in. Let her anticipation build until she's dripping and desperate. When you finally give her what she wants, she'll be quivering and ready to explode. 4. Heat things up before the date starts. Want her fantasizing about you all day long? Send a voice message or steamy text early in the day. Describe a wild dream you had involving her, but only give her part of the story. Keep her curious. By the time you meet, she'll be craving your touch like crazy. Bonus, it's not the size, it's the skill. You don't need to be huge to rock her world. What matters is how well you know her body and how confidently you handle her pleasure. Learn what turns her on, read her reactions, and take your time. That's what she'll remember and keep coming back for. If you love this juicy guide, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because more hot secrets are just around the corner. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.